Good morning. Yes, we are taking a look at Tropical Depression 13. It is forecast to become Tropical Storm Laura. And as we look at the latest advisory, we are seeing that as of 5 a.m., it is just east of the northern Leeward Islands, 905 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands, and moving west-northwest at 21 miles per hour. It is forecast to become a tropical storm, hence a tropical storm watch has been issued for parts of the northern Leeward Islands. And as we look at the cone and the potential threat area, that is where we're seeing the possibility of tropical storm conditions as we head into tomorrow evening. Now, as we head further in time, going into Saturday, this will be key. We'll be watching to see if it moves to the north or near or south of Puerto Rico, because that interaction with the islands will determine how strong or weak this system could be. But as of now, it is still generally expected to move towards the west-northwest and in our direction. So it could be moving over the Bahamas or Cuba here as we head into the weekend. There's still some uncertainty, but anytime we are in that cone of concern, South Florida, obviously we need to remain vigilant and we need to monitor this closely, because as of now, tropical storm conditions will be possible going into Monday. And that's what many of the computer models are indicating, although some of the models, again, tracking it a little bit more to the north, some models tracking it to the south. So that will really determine whether it interacts with the land and tracks more to the south, then it would be a weaker storm likely. But if it tracks more to the north, then it would be moving over the warm waters of the ocean, and that would mean a stronger storm. So in terms of the bottom line, well, we could be dealing with a tropical storm conditions by Monday, weather deteriorating likely by Sunday. So Saturday will be our day to prepare if we needed to. And yeah, we'll be watching that Saturday passage north or south of Puerto Rico. Also, this disturbance down in the central Caribbean has a high chance of developing into a depression in the next few days. So we'll watch that. And there are some storms firing up around portions of coastal Miami-Dade County, parts of downtown Miami, Little Haiti, Miami Shores, and a lot of storm activity offshore. A couple of showers moving across southern Dade County, as well as portions of the Keys. So keep the umbrella handy. Winds are calm or light, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. Highs in the low 90s, and we'll see the potential for some more storms on and off again throughout the day. And for boaters, a heads up, since we had the waterspout that turned into a tornado yesterday, we could see some more waterspouts today. So keep your eye to the sky and be safe out there. Tonight, evening storms, warm and muggy, 80 degrees. As we take a look at the moisture forecast, the rain chance will remain high today and tomorrow. A pocket of dry air means that the rain chance goes down a bit for Saturday, and then on Sunday, of course, our weather will all depend on what happens with that potential tropical storm Laura. Laura is the next name on the list, by the way. So yeah, it would be late Sunday into Monday when weather conditions would deteriorate, all depending on the eventual track and intensity of that system of Tropical Depression 13.